So today we are going to learn something over here, something very important about Binance, especially on how to trade on Binance. So I'm going to explain some features over here on the Binance, sometimes over here on how you can just deposit and then you can just start trending something very easy. So you can see if we just start explaining over here on the Binance, they can take as long because everything you see over here has a lot of things to talk about them, but we're just going to see something very important on how you can just deposit money and then start trending on Binance. Very easy process. Okay, so all you can just do, watch this video up to the end and make sure that you just subscribe to the channel and then click the notification bell so that you can just be notified anytime I just upload a new video. So you can see over here, the moment I assume that you just registered for the first time, you confirmed your email and all that, right? Yeah, so you can see if you just click the buy crypto, the first thing that just appears over here is cash deposit, credit debit, P2P trading, Binance, and all those one. All these methods are for depositing money to your Binance account. So we are just going to start with that one. So cash deposit. So you can see you can just deposit your money in your payment through the bank, through the advance account balance, through the CPA, and through the P2P bank transfer. So it's just very simple like that. So you have just to select the currency, and the moment you just select the currency over here, you just have to select the currency you just want to deposit to your Binance account, and then you can just Uganda and Kenya shillings, you can just select USDT, you can select AUD, any amount of money that you just want to deposit to your Binance account. Yeah, okay, and then you just click continue. So the next things over here that you can just use to deposit your money is through the P2P trending. Okay, so P2P trending is one of the things that you can just use to trend over here. As we just seen, you can just P2P, by the way, is a free account or free one to deposit your money on the bank and all that one. You can see there some are charging $1.8. So you can see this one. Okay, you can just for you, okay, here it's just buying of any currency you just want, any currency you just want to deposit. So like I'm going to use Kenya shillings to buy any crypto that you just want. So here it means you just buy USDT with Kenya shillings, and here is buying USDT with Kenya shillings. You buy USDT with Kenya shillings. Okay, you can buy, by the way, buy any coin like all those one. You can just buy Bitcoin, BS2, BNB using Kenya shillings. Okay, so like over here I'm going to select where I'm going to buy. Like I'm going to select, okay, it's just buys from the lowest to highest. So I'm going, this is the lowest, and you just have to consider something different over here, like 500 to 9,296. So that is now the difference, 19,000. So I can just buy between that. So assume I want to buy 1,000 Kenya shillings, I have to consider that kind because yes, 1,000 and something orders you have delivered, and with 98% of delivery, that's good. So if you just click buy and you buy 1,000 USDT, you will receive 8.93 USDT to your account. So I just have to click buy so that you can see what you just have to do over here. So this is the process of depositing crypto to your account. This is the process of buying USDT to your account, and you can even buy Bitcoin to your account just using the same process over here. So you can see 1,000 Kenya shillings I have to send now to this person. Okay, for you to just finish this process well, you can just use the paybill so that you can just not be charged money, and then the moment you just send this money to this guy, you just click transfer, and then your money will just be gone to that guy, and then you just release the crypto. Okay, so I have to cancel that one because yeah, you're not buying right now. So that is the process number one for buying crypto through the P2 P2P. You just buy, select what I'm just showed you to select over here, either your country, in every country you just holla, yeah, so something like just that. So the next thing we are just going to explain over here is market. Market is where you just see the features of every pair, and the pair we just saying is between trending two pairs, is just two currencies, like JPY USDT, like Bitcoin versus USDT. So that is just the pair, and this is the market. When you just see everything, there's difference between spot market and futures market, so I come to explain that later. And the next thing we are going to over here is trend. And your own trending, you can just trend in different ways over here, and the first one is through conversion of the currency, where you can just convert your current currency from one form to another. Like over here, I can just, if I have USDT in my account, I can just convert it to Bitcoin. Okay, when I can just decide to buy Bitcoin, like I can convert Bitcoin when like 1000, I can just convert it to Bitcoin when the Bitcoin is low, and I will just receive this Bitcoin. And the moment the Bitcoin, you can see it says refresh over here, because the Bitcoin and the USDT keep changing. So the moment I'm just the Bitcoin just rises in price, I can just decide now to send Bitcoin to USDT when the Bitcoin at the price has just risen. Okay, so it's just very easy, because you just come over there and then you just change it and then you just sell. So the next things over here you can see is classic and advanced. These things for trending is, they are just the same thing. It's just the same thing over here, but you can just use classic and advanced, but I'm going to use advanced because it is advanced from classic. It is the same as classic, but the advanced one has more features compared to like classic, right? So I'll come to explain even margin and all that, because they contain a lot of details, but I'm going just to show you how you can just trend very easy. So this is the Binance. This is the Binance. By the way, before even we go to that one, let me just show you how now you transfer your money to, before even you come, because the moment you just buy your crypto to from P2P, it's not possible for you to trend. So we are going to transfer our money from funding wallet to flat and spot. That when your money is in flat and spot, it will just enable you to trend, but when it is in spot, it will not, you cannot trend when you are your money is in funding wallet. So your P2P money is in funding wallet, so we are going to transfer it to funding to flat and spot account from funding wallet. So we are going to click flat and spot account, and then transfer money from funding wallet to flat and spot, so that we can be able to trend on advance, so that we can be able to trend. So I hope you have just understood that one. It's just a very easy process. Yeah, so I said P2P trending is under funding wallet. So the money, the moment you deposit money in the P2P, the money goes to funding wallet. So we are going to transfer that money from funding wallet to flat and spot account wallet, by the way. So we are going to do that one in a very few. The network I just slowing down, and yeah. Now this is the flat and spot wallet, and here is where we're just going to transfer our money from the funding wallet to here, and all you just have to do is just click transfer. Okay, you just click transfer, and you can see it just saying here from spot and flat and spot to cross margin. So we're just going to change this one to funding, and then we are just going to click you just click and then over here down one coin, you just have to select which coin do you bought in P2P. We just bought USDT. Okay, and you can see it is just saying from flat and spot to funding, meaning we are just going to interchange. The funding will just go up, and then the flat and spot will just go down too, from funding to flat and spot. You can see now we just have to select USDT, and if you just want to transfer, I mean like 50 or 100, you can just click maximum or any amount of money. So we are just going to click here, alternate, those arrows going down, up and down. The moment you just click, you can see this thing from funding to flat and spot, and then you just click confirm, and your money will just be transferred from funding wallet to spot and name flat and spot. So I'm going to open the advanced, this one, advanced for trending. So this is trending, by the way. We are just going to know how to trend somehow, okay? And trending is here. So we are just going to open this, and the moment you just open this one, you just beat is Bitcoin USDT, Bitcoin USDT. So that is the pair, we are trending over here. That is pair. And what you can see here is that BTC stroke USDT, that means one Bitcoin is equal to 65, or that one 691 USDT. That means that one. So it means that Bitcoin is 1 to 65, that's 700 over there. Yeah, so that's just what is go. So you can buy one Bitcoin when the price is maybe 60, and then you just sell it when it is 65. So it's just simple like that. So this is the trending chart, as you can see over here. This is why you just check the chart, and you can, by the way, you can select any coin when just press where the recent Bitcoin, and then you can just go for any pair that you just want. You can see even this one has a lot of things, but we just come to talk about that one later. So let me just show you how you just come and then you just buy and sell. So because we come to explain all things, you don't have to worry about that one. So you can just come here to the limit, and then you just click for example, you just want to buy Bitcoin when it is at 65, and when it just go to 70, you sell, or 68. Okay, so you just come over there, and then you just click price at 65 point something, and then you click amount of you want to buy with over here, and when the price just goes high, you can put the amount of like 68, that is what you want to sell, and then you can just click sell when the price is rises. So you just buy, you wait the price rise, then you sell. Okay, then orders over here, you can see when the open orders are there, you just click over there on the 3 months period. You can see I was just buying. You can see all the things over here is buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You buy when the price is low, you sell when the price is high. You can even sell when the price is high, and then you buy when the price is low. Yeah, it just goes like that. So you can see over there selling Bitcoin when available Bitcoin is 0.1, and then you can just click sell Bitcoin. Okay, when you just go to the sell button, it is just what is available is Bitcoin, so they can just say sell Bitcoin. When you just click buy, it will just buy Bitcoin. The available balance will be USDT. So there are a lot of things to explain here, but I will come to the next video to explain all things about these things. But if you're not understood anything, you can even leave the comment below. I will just make sure that I reply for all your comment, and because I'm always online. Okay, so we're just coming with another video to explain all those things in advanced features and also the margin. See you in the next time. Make sure that you just subscribe to the channel. See you in the next time. Bye bye.